Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, الرجال قوامون على النساء بما فضل الله بعضهم على بعض وبما أنفقوا من أموالهم. Translation: Men are caretakers and protectors of women because Allah has blessed some of them over another's, and because of that they spend of their wealth to support the women. In the previous ayahs we studied that Allah has given more of His fadl, more of His favors on different beings. For example, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made someone male and He has made someone female. Similarly, He has made someone intelligent and someone less intelligent, someone more powerful, someone less powerful, someone having more linguistic abilities, someone having less linguistic abilities. But these things Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to His slaves, and these are not based on their own merit, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's wisdom decided that who will get what, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has guided us that we should not be feeling jealous or envy because of these things given to other human beings. The only thing that we can envy and we can try to compete is the ability to earn goodness, to the ability to make more good deeds, and in that respect males and females, men and women are totally equal. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given more physical strength and more authority to the man, and the unit of the Muslim society is a family, and the head of the family Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the man. So men are head of the family, but it does not mean that they are privileged to do more good deeds. The women can do as much good deeds as the man, even they can do more good deeds than the man. But the head of the family will be the man, and there is no doubt about it. And as in this ayah, we are studying that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the male the caretaker and protectors of the woman, and they have more authority than the women. And there is nothing in this ayah that is saying that men will get higher status in the hereafter only because of their gender. One more important thing to understand, that if somebody is given more authority, he will be asked more questions about how he used his authority. So this is a privilege, but this privilege comes with lots of responsibilities as well, and the man must not abuse this privilege. Now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that the men are given authority because of the two reasons, and one reason is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given preference to some on some, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given more knowledge and more ability to perform acts to the men, and this is explained in the ahadith in detail. And the other thing is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the men to earn money and to spend the money on the women, and they do it on a daily basis, and they also do it at the time of marriage and the time of nikah in the form of mahar. So to summarize, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the man head of the family, and they are the head, just like the country has one king or one prime minister or one president. There cannot be two presidents or two prime ministers or two kings. So that role Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given of the head of the family to the man, but they must not abuse their role, they must not abuse their power. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.